Hello everyone, today I will discuss about how to create a QR code in uikit. How to generate and create QR code in uikit. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna import framework AV Foundation and import AV Foundation. Suppose this like music, image, and videos. Import core image frame dot CIF filter bulletins. Okay, what is core image framework? Use built-in custom filters to process still and video and image. Core image framework that is used to create a custom filters to process still and video and images. Okay, now second thing we're gonna create on this instance filter. First of all, we're going to get a filter CIF filter instance and context CI context instance. What is CI context? An evaluation context for rendering image processing results and performing image analysis. Okay, and second thing we're going to create image lambda, image lazy var, and no second thing we're going to create one create generate functions. Create QR code functions, which is type of argument string and return the UI image. First of all, in this string we're going to create on this data. Let string.data string.encoding ASCI. Now firstly we will create on this data. If let filter CIF filter instance CI QR code generator and filter.set value input massive and transform. Suppose this is a transform, this is a bash designing and large transform. So if let output dot filter dot output message dot transform by transform a UI image return UI image. Okay, now second thing we're gonna create on this let image is equal to create QR code. Suppose this is a risalat.com. okay, now second thing we're gonna create on this image view dot image is equal to image and ns layout constant dot activate. We're gonna apply on this image constant. Suppose this image apply on this constant, image view dot center x anchor dot constant is equal to view dot center x anchor. And now we're gonna apply this next anchor. This is a y anchor, image view dot center y anchor dot constant equal to view dot center y anchor. Okay, and in this image view you're gonna add on this view dot add sub view self view image view. Okay, now we're gonna on this applicant check on the generate QR code and generate QR code by using uikit. This is generate and the scan Paytm and wallet. Suppose this is a changing on this QR code and is soft Risalat with Swift and okay, now gonna understand this QR code is changing QR code. Notice the same that change on this QR code. Change on this QR code. Suppose this is a multiple data sign and it's changing on this QR code, and this is a URL pass on this server and this QR code change on this QR code. So thank you for everyone. Please